related height and relative height. So what is the between these representing relief? Uh, some important toposheets as a first, second, some lines are also watching in these areas, and colors, settlements. So we discuss according to syllabus some important representing relief in our topo sheet as a contour line after some time after this discuss in this topic. In this time, some like as contour lines, some other relief features in our topographic maps as a hedges. These are short lines that represent the height of the slope. They are drawn in the direction of the slope. So these hedges tell us a direction of the slope. Same like as it is the contour lines and it is hedges. So some differences in this relief features. The representation of relief by hedges can be made only in areas where precise surveying has been carried out. Means hedges indicate direction of the slope. Gentle slopes are indicated by thin lines drawn apart, and steep slopes are indicated by thick lines drawn close together. So it is 2 points are very important in hedges. Gentle slopes like as slopes as a plane type slopes, gentle slopes, and steep slopes as a direct slopes. So gentle slopes are indicated by thin lines drawn apart, and steep slopes are indicated by thick lines drawn close together. Lands that are level or flat, such as the tops of plateaus, valleys or plains, are left blank. So in this hedges, thick line represent three types lines: thick and thin and blank. So gentle slopes are indicated by thin lines, not thick, and steep slopes are indicated by thick lines, and plain represent by blank. So it is the and second is hill shading. Hill shading relief features. It is the hill shading relief features diagram. Hill shading or shaded relief uses a light and shadow effect to represent relief on the maps. So these type relief features you watch in this diagram, some parts are very dark and some are light. It is generally assumed that a source of light is situated on the upper left hand corner of the map, the northwest corner with the eastern, southern and the southeastern slopes shaded darker than those facing the north and west, as through a shadow of the relief feature is cast on them. Today, hill shading of relief feature is computer generated. The use of light and shadow to depict relief gives a three-dimensional effect. So these dark places and some light places. So hill shading or shaded relief uses a light and shadow effect to represent relief on the map. And third form lines. It is form lines and it is contour lines. Like as same, form lines are very similar to contour lines, but unlike the regular contour lines which represent accurate and measured heights above sea level, contour lines and form lines show only an approximate height. Form lines are not numbered, they are shown as broken lines like as dash 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 on the contour map and provide only a general idea of relief. It is the contour lines and these are form lines. So they are shown, form lines are shown as broken lines on the contour map and provide only a general idea of relief. And contour lines gives accurate heights of reliefs, and form line provide only a general idea of relief. And fourth, spot height. Spot heights indicate the exact height of a place above the sea level. In examples, some points are here as a in this point at 470 here 470 front is a dot, but here no, as a other example 313 dot 313 it is spot height, and spot height indicate the exact height of a place above the sea level. Spot heights on a contour map are shown by a small black dot by a number indicating its height. For as example 3.386.313 dot 470, so it is the spot height. Spot heights are determined only after an actual survey has taken place. A number of spot heights with the same elevation are joined to form a contour line, also known as spot elevation. Spot heights are generally found written on pillars along roads and paths. Spot elevation are not marked on the ground. So please carefully understand these topics, these points for better understand for topo sheet.